We have one of the participants who's saying that our company relies on tape backup. Can the Cloudian and Veeam solution replace our tape environment?
Um, Absolutely. I mean, tape backups are definitely something that where customers have used for a long time for backups, and they offer natural air gapping where you have tapes that you put into a vault and what have you. Typically, it's a little kludgy and it takes a while to retrieve from tape, which makes it not the most natural fit for a ransomware attack, which is time bound. What you get with a Veeam Cloudian solution is the same amount of immutability. I mean, you definitely cannot make any changes once this data is written for a specific amount of time. And you also get the virtual air gapping, right, that Veeam specifically has architected into their backup workflow. So together, it definitely gives you an online system that gives you almost the same kind of air gapping, not almost the same, a virtual air gapping that you can potentially get, as well as the similar kind of immutability that tape has to offer. So a modern way of doing this. Rand, do you want to add something?
Yeah, I would say I've done a lot of financial analysis with a couple of customers about replacing tape with a Cloudian device. And it does vary based on your retention policy, but even with your retention policy, let's say you have 20 years might be a little difficult, but if you have a retention period within 55 years, I'm seeing the TCO analysis for a lot of people. Replacing it with tape with a Cloudian device makes a lot of financial sense. And I'll tell a little story. This is actually a real story of a customer in Canada. We had one customer, they're a property company. I won't say who it was, but they used to take all their tapes and they had one of their properties, they had a vault, all right? And they used to put every single night, they put their tapes into the vault every single night, right? And they were doing that for 5 years. And I love tapes because they're cheap, they're cheerful, they're cost effective, and they're air gapped. But they kept putting in this vault. And one time they had to recover from that data. It wasn't a ransomware, it was just a data outage. But so they went back and grabbed the tape, no problem. They had it sorted well in the vault. They opened one up, blank.